When you start in your lab station, make sure you notice that there are the sections that have the drawers. Certain equipment is found there, and you have the top of cabinet is where your glassware. On this particular activity, you're going to have to be using the glassware. So you'll come to your cabinet. Notice it'll be your cabinet number 1. And when you open cabinet 1, you're going to go ahead and find out that you have a bunch of glassware. You've got the first level, and you have the second level with some Erlenmeyer flasks, and they have some other equipment up there on top. We'll be doing our full check-in in a while, but for this lab, all you need to have is the 400 milliliter beaker. Notice that the beakers are neatly stacked. As you see them, so should you return them. So in this case, I have the 400 milliliter beaker, and this lab station is 5B. All the glassware is labeled, and so when you're done, it needs to return to the proper cabinet. If for some reason you find some glassware that's not in the right place, it's your responsibility to put it in the appropriate cabinet. So in this one, be careful that when you're pulling it out, you're only pulling out the 400 milliliter and leaving everything else here. Now, when you're done, sometimes during lab we might be using the drying rack, which is located right over the sink. However, at the end of class, it's your responsibility that all glassware is dried and returned back to the appropriate cabinet. Also, when you're done, make sure the doors always stay closed, as that's a safety hazard where someone could get hit or hit their head on that cabinet door if it's open.